Hey everybody, Mike Hansen back with another Bite Size Tech Plus for Vintage Viewers video. I use my camera on a tripod a lot, and the unfortunate thing is the camera strap can get in the way. So there are such things as quick release camera straps. However, I don't like the little flimsy clasps that are on them, and my nerdy desire is to use the strap that originally came with my camera. So until now, those two things have been totally at odds. But today's product that we're going to look at solves that problem. So let's get into the video and you'll see what the product does, and we'll link the product in the description down below. See you soon. As I mentioned in the intro to this video, I always like to be able to use the strap that came with my camera. Call me nerdy if you will, but I love that. Now I also know that that may make me a target for theft, but I'm really as careful as I can possibly be. Now these straps, the unfortunate thing is once you put them on your camera, there's no easy way to disconnect them. And since I use a tripod a lot, it's always getting tangled up in the tripod. So the less than perfect solution to having a quick release camera strap on my camera is to have one of these flimsy ones. And the flimsy ones, the neoprene is supposed to be more comfortable. Maybe it is a little bit, but I have never trusted, and as a matter of fact, have had one of these plastic buckles break in the past. And part of the reason is the little prongs that hold it in there are prone to breakage. And that really gives me like very little confidence when I'm using that, when I'm walking around using the strap on my camera. So I don't like to use those, and I deal with the tripod tangling up my camera strap. So recently I found a solution that allows me to use the camera strap that came with my camera, the JJC Quick Release Buckle Kit. Now I was naturally skeptical about this, knowing how other quick release products were constructed, but when I opened the box and pulled the buckles out, I was very pleased at the design and the actual brawniness of those buckles. You can see they're bigger than the other quick release buckles. The cording is thicker. They have a button that allows you to quick release, and that quick release is a slide mechanism, which is very much more positive than the old two-prong quick release system on other straps. So hey, look at that. My original camera strap is connected to my camera with these quick release adapters. It was a breeze. I connect one half of the buckle kit to my camera, as you can see here, and the other half is connected to my strap. Now the button, the quick release button, allows you to remove that fairly quickly with a sliding motion, and to reinstall it with a nice solid click when it re-engages. So when I need to put my camera on a tripod, I quickly release both of those, and no strap to be in the way. Hooray! So that's the product and how you use it. I love little products like this that solve my problems, that meet my challenges. So this one does that in spades. The product is linked in the description below, so I'd appreciate it if you like what you see in this video. Go ahead and use that link to purchase the product. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it helps me out and my channel out. So as always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again soon.